So for me, quantum music is sounds and music created with superconducting systems. It is quantum software or simulations. And it really describes where things could go as we begin to have quantum computers.
Is to make music with properties of quantum mechanics. And I am interested in using quantum computing to make music.
For me, it's really an attempt to sonify the quantum mechanical processes. So try to translate anti-intuitive or non-intuitive aspects of quantum mechanics to sounds.
Many physicists believe that music is just for fun, so it's not the real research, let's say. And from musicians' point of view, especially a very experienced composer, what quantum physics can bring is just another kind of stochastic chance music, and it's not gonna be very different from what we've been doing. So there, I think, skepticism from both sides. So I think our job is really to still find some inspiration and where each of us wants to really focus on and really excited about.
I think it's important to discuss about quantum music and quantum applications in music because music gives another dimension to understand quantum mechanics.
I think it's important to meet with different individuals, both scientists and artists, to find out what interests them, what they're excited about, and what kind of techniques they're using so that we can advance our understanding and our applications of quantum technologies in the arts and humanities faster.
Quantum technology are so popular nowadays, but really only few people really know about it. This idea of sharing with everybody the advances in quantum technology, and in this case applied to sound, which is something that's very important in our everyday life, it's a kind of our responsibility.
What we have seen this morning in the concerts of Quantum Sounds shows that quantum music has a lot to offer to us.
I think it was also very fun to have live musicians to come to this Physics Institute, to this auditorium where usually only scientific presentations take place, to have this performance of music and extremely experimental, I would say, and to have an audience really appreciating this performance. This was, I think, was very, very special.
The future of quantum music, I think it's very interesting because composers are now beginning to understand how quantum mechanics works and how to apply those concepts in musical composition. So I think there is a future of new kinds of music that will emerge from composers who work in this area.
Sort of my dream is that we'll have a way to reproduce almost any kind of sound that could exist with a kind of quantum computer.
We will try to do our best that it will be a trend in contemporary music that will be followed and will spread. So far it's growing very strongly, so I would be optimistic.